Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you. Today I'll be showing you guys a video on how I did this crochet braid, crochet box braid. So hopefully you guys like it. And it's pretty simple and just follow the steps. I'm going to be going pretty slow in some parts, and that way you can follow through. And I got this here on Amazon. I'll put everything in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah. I've already braided my hair. The individual braids in the front is for me to do my individual crochet braids. I'll be showing you guys step by step on how I actually do the individual crochet. Hair from Amazon. I got the hair from Amazon. This is what it looked like. Well, outside of the box. It was in the box, Amazon box. Yeah, so it will come with a crochet pin. This comes with 7 packs of the hair. 7 bundles. This is what the hair looked like. It comes with 22 strands of hair, which is pretty good. 30-inch. You can't really see it. It's 30-inch. Yeah, this is what the hair looked like. As you can see, I've already did some crochet in the back. You can always leave 2 fingers of space in the back. This is to prevent your hair from being too heavy or too much hair. You can always go back and add more. That's why you're leaving the space so that way you don't have too much hair in your head. You can always go back and add more hair. This is the purpose of leaving that space, and you can go ahead and start your crochet. As you can see, I am almost done with half my head. Now I'm technically on the front. You can see step by step, very clear steps on how I do the crochet. It's pretty simple. It's like a pull and tuck method. So I'm going to keep doing this exact same process throughout my head. Okay, now I'll also show you a very close-up look on how I did the individual crochet in the front. That is crucial because it makes your crochet look like it's like individual box braids. And nowadays people don't like to sit down and get their hair braided. Like for me, I can't do that. I like my hair to be very long. As you can see, this hair is 30-inch, and I'm not going to sit down and do 30-inch braids. No doing that. So look step by steps on how the crochet is done. Here we are pretty much almost done. As you can see, I am doing the crochet braid pretty close together, but also leaving some space in between, so you don't make sure you don't run out of hair. So if you look closely, this can save you money. You can do this yourself at home. You can do this in your daughter's hair or your mom, I don't know, mom's hair. So it's a pretty easy and cheap way to get your hair done without you paying a beautician. Just ask someone to braid your hair for you, and that's it, girl. You got this. You got this. You heard me? Yeah, you got it. You got it. Get my point. So there you go. If you look slowly, you can see how I'm actually doing it. You see, put the hair on the hook and close it up. That's all you need to be a pro, honey. That's all you need to be a pro. As you can see, I'm doing the hair right here. I'm putting a braid very close on the front. This is just to give it that look again to be individual braids, you know. So yeah. And you don't want to braid your cornrow too big. That's why I braid the front very smaller compared to the back. The back is a hot mess because the braids are big. So I'm still going to put hair right there because it's going to give it that look of an individual braid. You get my point now? Yeah, I got it. There you go. Now put it in. I might speed up this video, but I'm probably not going to. So I like to talk to you guys. And as always, guys, follow me on social media. My social media is Henricka Beauty on every social platform. Henricka Beauty. And I also sell natural beauty products, so you can check out my website link below. That I also have hair oils, hair growth oils, where you can buy my natural product to see how I do my hair. So you can see now I'm doing the individual braids. It's pretty simple. You put the crochet pin inside, in between the braids, and you just pull it. Look closely. It's the exact same thing as doing the regular crochet, but just doing it in the individual braids. So now I have 2 hair, my hair and then the crochet hair. I'm going to be taking my actual hair, I'm going to be putting it inside of the braid. Like pull it, I don't know, it's like you're doing actual crochet, like on the cloth. I don't know, you get my points. But it's like a pull and tuck method, okay? And you can also do individual crochet on your whole head, but I feel like that's just going to take too much work. Why would you do that? You can just do it like this. You get it? Okay. Or whatever. And also back to my natural product, and I also have handmade hair bonnets that I actually sew. Just check out my website link below. You'll be everything natural and beautiful. You can get it on my website. Okay? See, now it's done. It looks like it's 100% individual braids, but no, it's all a lie. It's crochet. This is the final product. You can see I'm done. I am all done. This is the finished product. As you can see, it is pretty long. I am 5'10". I hope you guys loved the video, and make sure you check out my other videos on how to do other crochet braids and how to do other